Hey there, DIY enthusiasts and crafting aficionados. Are you tired of struggling with manual tools for your intricate projects? Do you find yourself wishing for a versatile, portable solution that can handle everything from engraving to polishing? Well, you're in luck. Today, we're diving into the world of rotary tools to find the best one for your needs. Whether you're a professional or a weekend warrior, we've got you covered. So, let's get spinning and discover the top 7 rotary tools that will revolutionize your work. 7. GINELSON YJ007. Starting our list is the GINELSON YJ007, a compact cordless rotary tool that promises versatility and convenience. This little powerhouse comes with a 3.7V lithium-ion battery and offers variable speeds from 5,000 to 18,000 RPM. The kit includes 60 accessories, which seems impressive at first glance. During testing, I found the GINELSON YJ007 to be lightweight and easy to handle, making it suitable for detailed work. The LED light is a nice touch, illuminating your workspace effectively. However, I noticed that the battery life leaves something to be desired. After about 30 minutes of continuous use, the power started to wane, which could be frustrating for longer projects. The accessories provided are decent, but I found the quality to be hit or miss. Some of the cutting wheels wore down quickly, and a few of the sanding bands frayed after minimal use. While this might not be a deal breaker for occasional DIY tasks, it could be a concern for more frequent users. One positive aspect is the USB-C charging, which adds convenience. However, the charging time is relatively long compared to the runtime, which might interrupt your workflow. The maximum speed of 18,000 RPM is also on the lower end compared to some competitors, limiting its effectiveness on harder materials. Overall, the GINELSON YJ007 is an entry-level option that could suit casual users or those on a tight budget. However, its limitations in power and accessory quality might leave more demanding users wanting more. 6. HARDELL COM DC4N. Next up is the HARDELL QM DC4N, another cordless rotary tool that aims to provide versatility for DIY enthusiasts. This tool boasts a 3.7V lithium-ion battery and offers speeds ranging from 5,000 to 25,000 RPM, which is a step up from our previous contender. In my hands-on experience, the HARDELL felt comfortable to use, with a decent grip that reduced fatigue during extended sessions. The variable speed control is responsive, allowing for precise adjustments depending on the task at hand. The kit comes with a generous 107 accessories, covering a wide range of applications from cutting to polishing. However, I did encounter some issues during testing. While the motor seemed powerful enough for most tasks, I noticed a slight wobble at higher speeds, which could affect precision in delicate work. The chuck also felt a bit loose after prolonged use, requiring frequent tightening to keep accessories secure. On the positive side, the battery life is commendable, lasting around 90 minutes on a single charge. The USB charging is convenient, although it would have been nice to see a faster charging option. The LED work light is bright and well-positioned, enhancing visibility in dimly lit areas. One area where the HARDELL falls short is in its noise level. It's noticeably louder than some competitors, which might be a concern if you're working in shared spaces or during odd hours. Additionally, while the accessory kit is extensive, the storage case feels flimsy and doesn't organize the bits very well, making it easy to lose smaller pieces. 5. DEKOPRO Mini Cordless Rotary Tool. Moving up our list, we have the DEKOPRO Mini Cordless Rotary Tool, a compact yet powerful option for DIY enthusiasts. This tool features a 12V lithium-ion battery and offers an impressive speed range of 5,000 to 35,000 RPM, making it versatile enough for a wide array of tasks. During my testing, I was pleasantly surprised by the DEKOPRO's performance. The higher voltage battery translates to more power, allowing it to tackle tougher materials with ease. The variable speed control is smooth and precise, giving you excellent control over your work. One standout feature is the ergonomic design. The tool fits comfortably in hand, reducing fatigue during extended use. The rubberized grip provides excellent control, even when working with intricate details. I found this particularly useful when engraving and doing fine detail work. The accessory kit that comes with the DEKOPRO is comprehensive, including 80 pieces that cover everything from cutting and grinding to polishing and drilling. The quality of these accessories is noticeably better than some of the lower-priced options we've looked at. Battery life is another strong point for the DEKOPRO. I managed to get nearly 2 hours of continuous use on a single charge, which is impressive for a cordless tool in this category. The charging time is reasonable, taking about an hour to fully recharge. 4. AVID Power CRT 324. The AVID Power CRT 324 takes the 4th spot on our list, offering a robust 8V cordless rotary tool experience. This tool boasts variable speeds from 5,000 to 25,000 RPM and comes with a comprehensive set of 60 accessories. In my hands-on testing, the AVID Power CRT 324 impressed me with its solid build quality. The tool feels durable and well-balanced, inspiring confidence even during more demanding tasks. The 8V battery provides ample power, allowing the tool to maintain consistent performance even under load. One feature that stood out was the LED work light. It's brighter and more focused than many competitors, making it easier to see your work area in detail. This is particularly useful for precision tasks or when working in poorly lit environments. The variable speed control is intuitive and responsive, allowing for easy adjustments on the fly. I found this particularly useful when switching between different materials or moving from rough shaping to fine detailing. Battery life is another strong point for the AVID Power CRT 324. I managed to get over 2 hours of use on a single charge, which is impressive for a tool in this class. The charging time is reasonable, taking about 90 minutes to fully recharge. 3. PHALANX P02. Climbing higher on our list, we have the PHALANX P02, a versatile 4V cordless rotary tool that offers an impressive speed range of 8,000 to 32,000 RPM. This tool comes with a comprehensive 80-piece accessory kit, making it a versatile option for various projects. During my testing, the PHALANX P02 stood out for its exceptional balance and ergonomics. The tool feels natural in hand, with a weight distribution that reduces fatigue during extended use. The soft grip handle provides excellent control, even when working on intricate details. One of the standout features of the PHALANX P02 is its intelligent speed control system. The tool remembers your last speed setting, which is a time saver when working on consistent projects. The variable speed dial is smooth and precise, allowing for fine-tuned control over your work. The accessory kit that comes with the PHALANX P02 is of high quality, covering a wide range of applications from cutting and grinding to polishing and engraving. I was particularly impressed with the durability of the cutting wheels and sanding bands, which held up well even during extended use. Battery life on the PHALANX P02 is commendable, offering around 90 minutes of continuous use on a single charge. The USB-C charging is fast and convenient, taking just over an hour to fully recharge the tool. 2. Dremel Lite 7760N/104V. Taking the second spot on our list is the Dremel Lite 7760N/104V, a compact and user-friendly rotary tool from a brand synonymous with quality. This tool offers variable speeds from 8,000 to 25,000 RPM and comes with a set of 10 high-quality accessories. In my hands-on experience, the Dremel Lite 7760N/104V impressed me with its exceptional build quality and attention to detail. The tool feels premium in hand, with a weight and balance that inspire confidence during use. The ergonomic design reduces hand fatigue, making it comfortable for extended periods of work. One standout feature is Dremel's patented Easy Twist nose cap, which allows for quick and easy accessory changes without the need for a separate wrench. This is a significant time saver, especially when switching between different tasks frequently. The variable speed control on the Dremel Lite is smooth and precise, allowing for fine adjustments to match the task at hand. I found this particularly useful when working with different materials, from soft woods to harder metals. While the accessory kit is smaller compared to some competitors, the quality of the included bits is outstanding. Each accessory is designed to work seamlessly with the tool, providing excellent results across various applications. 1. DEPSTECH DC08. Topping our list is the DEPSTECH DC08, an 8V cordless rotary tool that combines power, versatility, and user-friendly features. This tool offers an impressive speed range of 5,000 to 30,000 RPM and comes with a comprehensive 127-piece accessory kit. During my extensive testing, the DEPSTECH DC08 consistently outperformed its competitors in nearly every aspect. The 8V motor provides ample power for even the most demanding tasks, while maintaining smooth and quiet operation. The variable speed control is exceptionally precise, allowing for fine-tuned adjustments to match any material or application. One of the standout features of the DEPSTECH DC08 is its anti-blocking system. This innovative feature prevents the tool from stopping abruptly if the accessory gets caught, reducing the risk of damage to both the tool and your workpiece. I found this particularly useful when working with tougher materials or in tight spaces. The ergonomics of the DEPSTECH DC08 are top-notch. At just 0.82 pounds and 8.8 inches in length, it's comfortable to use for extended periods without causing fatigue. The soft grip handle provides excellent control, even during precision work. Battery life is another area where the DEPSTECH DC08 shines. With its 2,000 mAh battery, I was able to get over 3 hours of continuous use on a single charge. The Type-C fast charging is a welcome feature, allowing for quick top-ups between tasks. The 127-piece accessory kit is comprehensive and of high quality, covering everything from cutting and grinding to polishing and engraving. I was particularly impressed with the included cutting guide, which helps maintain consistent depth and stability during cutting tasks. In conclusion, the DEPSTECH DC08 sets a new standard for cordless rotary tools, offering professional-grade performance in a compact and user-friendly package. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast or a professional craftsman, this tool has the power, versatility, and features to tackle any project with ease. Final thought. That's all for today, folks. If you like this video, feel free to comment below.